Hey, this is the second day after Christmas, December 27th, and it snowed a lot here. Hi, Woozy. It snowed almost 1 foot, almost the most it's ever been. There's Daddy. Got all that snow. Come on, Rosie. Come here. Right here, Rosie. Rosie.
Oh.
Right here. Ja! Wozies! Wozies! Ja! Wozies! Wozies! Hi, baby.
Here comes the heat.
Oh no, Jibba. Uh-oh, that's a big one. Jibba. That's really cold, Julia. Can you not do that to Mommy anymore? Mommy's really cold, okay, baby? Like there's someone driving on someone's driving on the street. Hopefully they'll be okay.
You throw snowballs at Mommy? I throw this one at you. Mommy, look.
No.
No.
Julia, please don't do that. Hey, Julia, you want to make some snowman? A snowman.